Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can earn 2 USDT daily from performing tasks online from this platform. So I'm going to need you to register to this site. So you can register your email, phone number or username. So let's get on to it. So once you've registered, you'll head over to this section that says quantify, and you need to press on the below to start quantification. So once you press on quantify, you'll be brought to this section here, and as you can see there are various levels. Like now I'm in VIP 0, whereby the quantification is 0 per day, but as you can see on the VIP 1, when you deposit $10, minimum of $10, you will get 25% profit ratio per day. So this is a very good investment for your money, and it will work for you. And withdrawals can be made either through these websites here, these apps here. So as you can see, it is very seamless to withdraw money, and it is a valid purchase. So as we head over to VIP 2, you can see when you deposit a minimum of $100, you will also get 25% profit ratio. And there is also VIP 3 and VIP 4 and VIP 5. So when you head over to this section that says home, you can see you can also earn bonuses for inviting your friends. So all you need to do is to send this link to your friends, and once they register, you will receive more tokens. So that is another way of earning more tokens. So when you head over to this section that says me, you can see your profile here, and you can also withdraw through this platform here. So let's head over back, show you another way in which you can withdraw. You can also withdraw through this section here. So as you can see, there is a very minimal withdrawal limit range of $2.5. So you can put the minimal withdrawal as $2.5. So it's quite low for the site. So you can also put your address here and your security password, the one that you had set previously when registering. So that is simply how this website works, and that is simply how it can give you free tokens, and you can use the free tokens to withdraw the money. So I hope you found this content useful, and see you in the next video.